कोई ऐसा मैच फिक्सिंग वगैरह कुछ है बीच में, ऐसा होता है?
hurt and we are not liking it.
ये ग्लोबली हिट करेगा?
So that's the answer to your previous question.
बेस्ट टीम इन एससीएल, इसमें ऐसा क्या है?
I have already got it changed. No?
Had to watch वाला।
Then he started with very limited people.
बट मैम जैसे आप लोग इतना बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करते होंगे तो आप लोगों को स्ट्रेस रहता है, मतलब बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन के लिए था?
If you'll see the videos, then definitely you'll get to know the difference.
उनसे उड़ता है खाट So welcome to SCL Season 7 podcast, guys. This is your host Dikshant Panwar and we are taking you with the team owners of Super Cricket League. And in this season, यहाँ पे क्या exciting होने वाला है, owners के business में SCL ने क्या growth and क्या नई opportunities उनको लाके दी है, and कैसे collaborations हुई हैं, बहुत सारी exciting news आप इस podcast में आपको सुनने को मिलेगी. So get ready for some exciting insights of SCL Season 7. सो वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट शो गाइस. टुडे हमारे साथ हैं बैकबोन ऑफ एससीएल क्रिकेट लीग, नीलिमा अग्रवाल. एंड मैम कैसे हैं आप?
All good. Thank you.
सो मैम सबसे पहले तो एक ऐसी जो लीग आप लोगों ने इंट्रोड्यूस करी है जो कि बिजनेस ओनर्स के साथ बेसिकली एक ऐसा इवेंट जो बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन में हेल्प करता है, ये सारी चीज़ें में हेल्प करता है ना. तो ये कैसे आइडिया आया, ये शुरू कैसे हुआ, इसकी जर्नी कैसे रही है, मैं पूछना चाहूँगा.
Romil was always interested in cricket and sports. So he himself was playing in leagues and then he initiated this that I want my people to be here. Then he started with very limited people and then it expanded because when it is people to people, you meet, you get to know that some league is going on. तो recommend करते हैं, we are playing. So ऐसे करते it has been expanded. So he is always been into sports and always.
So ये सिर्फ इनिशिएटिव सिर्फ मतलब बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन के लिए था या फिर ये
his own interest in terms of sports
सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स में?
Sports and he's very social also. He likes meeting people, having talks with them, discussing what is happening
Exploring
in the
new
business.
things.
Yeah, not only in terms of sports, but yeah, he's very social also. He loves to interact. Yeah.
So इसका मैम थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ आप बताइए कि इससे कितने सीजन्स हो चुके हैं, ऐसा कुछ?
This one is going to be the seventh season. Yeah.
Okay. So what's different in it? Like कुछ ऐसा है आपको पता?
If you'll see the videos, then definitely you'll get to know the difference. It has been started with the very small platform, but definitely the people were always in good vibe and good atmosphere. But now if you'll see the SCL 6 auction and SCL 5 auction, then you will get to know that how every year the difference is coming. Yeah.
सो मैम इसमें जो एक प्रॉपर, जैसे हम सुनते हैं कि बहुत जगह पे जैसे क्रिकेट लोग और बाहर भी चलता है, नॉर्मल क्रिकेट चलता है, इसमें ऐसा क्या है जो लोगों को, ये जो ब्रांड ओनर्स है उनको हेल्प करता है? मतलब ये ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जब ये एक साथ खेलते हैं या फिर वहाँ पे होते हैं, तो क्या चीज़ है जो इनको हेल्प करती है? मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर.
When you are doing your daily business, you are doing everything, you are so much into your life and then you get an atmosphere where you are getting a chill vibe also, you are playing also and your PR is also getting built up. So that's something, when you do something where your interest lands, then it makes a difference for sure. When we work, sometimes we do not work with the interest, but where we are going, we are working also in terms of PR thing and with interest.
Okay.
So they tends to meet, they love to meet when the meetings are going on. They are excited to go for those meetings rather than getting tensed that some meeting is there.
So like it's like a vibe.
That's
proper.
a difference. Yeah.
एक माहौल, एक वाइब जैसे होता है वो है.
Yeah, atmosphere is very important. Yeah.
So आप तो पर्सनली जैसे टीम्स से मिलते होंगे, जो ऑल भी टीम्स होंगी, जो डिफरेंट टीम्स होंगी
at the time of
okay. So यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा लाइक अब इतने बड़े ओनर्स आते हैं इस लीग में, सो कोई ऐसा मैच फिक्सिंग वगैरह कुछ है बीच में, ऐसा होता है कभी?
मुझे बिल्कुल 100% श्योरिटी है कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि दे आर नॉट प्लेइंग फॉर मनी और दे आर नॉट प्लेइंग फॉर एनीथिंग, दे आर प्लेइंग टू गेट अ पॉजिटिव एटमॉस्फेयर एंड दे वांट्स टू प्ले. They wants to play means that even if anybody is hurt and they cannot play due to some physical health issues, the other team members are also feeling bad for them that, oh, that particular person cannot play, we are not feeling good. When they are going home, they are telling to their partners that particular team person or that particular person is hurt and we are not liking it. So when you have that gesture, when you have that that feeling for empathy for the other team members also, then definitely the match fixing will not.
सो बिजनेस ओनर्स के लिए तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही स्ट्रेस फ्री रहता होगा.
It's a stress-free
स्ट्रेस
thing
फ्री
and
स्ट्रेस मतलब वही करने के लिए
your
है
PR
ये.
is also getting built up
Yeah.
without any stress. That's
विदाउट एनी
correct.
स्ट्रेस. बट मैम जैसे आप लोग इतना बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करते होंगे तो आप लोगों को स्ट्रेस रहता है.
हमारे घर पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस होती हैं कि इस टाइम पे रोमिल से सारी पॉजिटिव बातें करनी है,
नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं
करनी
दैट्स
है.
रियली गुड
Yeah.
मस्ट से.
there is nothing to be discussed with Romil जो कहीं से भी stressful हो for a time being, जब तक ये इवेंट आराम से ना हो जाए. So it's like being instructed at home.
सो आपका कोई ऐसा कोई बेस्ट मोमेंट है SCL में जो आप एक बताना चाहेंगे?
Last year,
ओके.
because last year was the year when I was completely available there, and there was a match, like the last match was with Pansari and Paradise Shetty, and it was unexpected match. The whole ground, no matter which team, no matter which player, Nikhil Sharma was playing, and it was not expected that they can win the match, and there was like a certain number of runs were needed, and he did that. When the last ball was there, 6 runs were required in the last ball. The whole ground, that's why when you said the match fixing and everything, I'm telling you, the whole ground means the relative of the team members, the relative of the team owners, they all were, in fact the Pansari team player also, those who were playing against, they were also shouting the name of Nikhil Sharma, that he hit the 6. And he did that. So that's the moment.
So, special moment.
So that's the answer to your previous question also. Yeah.
So मैम जैसे जो आपका जो ये पूरा टूर्नामेंट ये SCL का जो लीग होती है, इसमें जितने भी ब्रांड्स आते हैं compete करने के लिए, ये हर सीज़न में चेंज होते हैं या फिर कैसे रेपुटेशन में चलता है ये?
I think this year 2 new teams are also here. So they were not there last year.
मतलब ऐसा कोई फिक्स नहीं है कि ये टीम्स
No, but they are playing from a very long time that they keep approaching that we want to play. So keep
तो
us there.
मतलब जैसे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं इतने सारे इसमें.
They wait. They like the moment this SCL will be over, Romil will start getting the calls. Next year we are here. We want to. So that's the scenario. They wait for it.
ये ग्लोबली हिट करेगा
100%.
जो कॉन्सेप्ट है
100%.
और इसको ग्लोबल हिट करने के लिए SCL क्या क्या चीज़ें कर रहा है वो अगर आप बता सकें तो?
Day and nights are not counted. We know that day and nights are not counted because as of now the team is quite small, like the Romil's team is quite small, so he has to manage many things by his own also. So he's trying to expand that team, but whatever best he can do, he's doing by his own. No matter whatever the job is, he's doing it because he want to nail it. Yeah.
So ma'am, I have some rapid fire questions. One word to describe SCL.
Atmosphere.
Okay. Best team in SCL.
Best team in SCL. Whatever I have heard, it was Pansari.
Pansaris.
Yeah.
Okay. So one rule you would like about मतलब जो आप चाहते हैं चेंज करना SCL में नेक्स्ट सीजन में या फिर जो अभी चल रहा है?
I have already got it changed. Earlier in auction, the wife of the owners or the girls were not invited. This year they are.
They are invited.
So it's changed.
Okay, it's changed. So funniest person जो आपको लगता है कि SCL में अवेलेबल टीम्स में या फिर कोई है ऐसा?
Sagar Garg.
Okay. I think they are from Pansaris, right?
Yeah.
So okay, so आपको क्रिकेट वैसे पसंद है?
Because Romil likes a lot and he has an interest, so definitely if something is on the screen, so sometime I had to watch.
Yeah,
If the you know
had
the-
to watch मतलब
had to watch, but when it's about SCL, then definitely I have my interest. I go there, I stay there till the matches goes on.
so आप enjoy करते हैं मतलब जो
Yeah,
cricket से
everybody
आए, so-
does. Like we are like, it's a festival, to be very honest.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
It's a vibe. Like Diwali is coming
बिल्कुल
even 15-20 days or a month before, you have a vibe. So that's the thing. Like it's a vibe. People are waiting like when it will happen.
so what do you mostly like, batting और bowling?
Bowling.
bowling का ज़्यादा सही लगता है, उनसे उड़ता है खाट में सही है, ठीक है ठीक है.